Okay, next paragraph. In this paragraph, author is going to give the difference between individual liberty and public freedom. Okay, and see, liberty is not a personal affair only, but a social contract. Don't think that a liberty it blanks ourselves. It's not a personal affair. Okay, it just connected with the social contract. Okay, what do you mean by contract? See, that contract means a commitment. Okay, commitment, but it is a social commitment. Which one? Liberty. It is not, it is an accommodation of interest in matters which do not touch anybody else. Liberty, it is an accommodation of interest. The liberty full and full denotes that our rights. It fully accommodated with our rights, okay, in matters which do not touch anybody else liberty. Okay, at the same time our liberty should not touch anybody else liberty. Of course I may be as free as like, of course it's true only, okay, because we are living in freedom India and we can live as our wish. And if I choose to go down the road in a dressing gown, who shall say me nay? Okay, if I am going in the road with a dressing gown, and if நான் அப்படி போயிட்டு இருந்தேன்னா, who will ask me, who will say me no? Nay means no. Okay, you should not come out from your house like this. Nobody will question me because it is my liberty. This kind of liberty won't be affected anybody, and you have liberty to laugh at me. Okay, at the same time when I am going with that kind of dress, okay, அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ட்ரெஸ்ல நான் வெளியே போறேன்னா, everybody, the people who are looking me, no, they have right to laugh at me. Okay, they have right to laugh at me. Okay, நீங்க என்னை பார்த்து சிரிக்கலாம், that is your liberty. That laughing won't be harm anybody, but I have liberty to be indifferent to you. So you have as a wonderful line, see, you have a right to laugh at me, at the same time I have the right to indifferent to you. என்ன உன்னை கண்டுக்காம போகிறதுக்கு, உன்னை இக்னோர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு I have the right to ignore you. நீ சிரிச்சா சிரிச்சுட்டு போ அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு as my wish I can lead my way. Okay, see that wonderful line. Okay, and if I have a fancy for dyeing my hair, if I am going to dye my hair, it is my wish. Or waxing my mustache, okay, waxing, shaving, okay, give a wonderful or else a nice shape. Or wearing on overcoat and sandals. See, overcoat potale, that coat suit potale, we have to wear shoes. Okay, that is the culture. It is because it will be என்ன சொல்கிறது, it will be looking very nice. Okay, but இது என்னோட விஷ். நான் கோட் சூட் போட்டுக்கிட்டு வெறும் sandalனா that ordinary slipper. Okay, sandal I can wear. Who will ask me? Or going to bed late or getting up early. Okay, going to bed at midnight, that is my wish. Or getting up early morning எந்திரிக்கிறது, that is my wish. I shall follow my fancy and ask no man's permission. So this kind of liberty I can follow as my wish. Nobody will raise a question and no need to ask permission from anybody. Why author is telling this kind of liberty won't be affect anyone, ரைட்? இது யாரையுமே அஃபெக்ட் பண்ண போகிறது கிடையாது, இது நம்மளோட விஷ். ஓகே, இந்த கைண்ட் ஆஃப் லிபர்ட்டினால ஒரு பிரச்சனையுமே இல்லை. அண்ட் next, I shall not inquire of you whether I may eat mustard with my mutton. So if I want to eat mutton with mustard, I no need to ask permission from anybody because it is my wish. And you will not ask me whether you may follow this religion or that, whether you may prefer Ella Wheeler Wilcox to Wordsworth. And one more thing, you also no need to ask me which religion I have to follow. It is your wish. Which religion you want to follow, you can follow. Okay, this is this kind of liberty won't be affect anybody. Or else you can like Ella Wheeler Wilcox to Wordsworth. Ella Wheeler Wilcox, he is also a author, okay, a writer and a poet, and he is a female writer. Okay, it is your wish that Ella Wheeler Wilcox Wordsworth காட்டிலும் எனக்கு இவங்கள தான் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறது உன்னோட விஷ். ஓகே, எனக்கு தளபதியை காட்டிலும் தலையை தான் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்னு சொல்கிறேன்ல, Okay, that is my wish. Here we can't enter that. No, you have to like Ajit only. Okay, I have to like the subject chemistry only, not physics. அப்படிலாம் we should not என்ன சொல்றது tell anybody, right? Right, it is our liberty. So see, or else campaign to shandy. Shandy is a lemon drink, okay, and campaign is a drink. Okay, it is your wish whether you want to have a shandy or else campaign. So see, wonderful examples author has given. These kind of liberties, it won't be harm anybody, right? So இந்த மாதிரி liberty you can follow, but understand that our individual liberty should not affect the public liberty. அதை understand பண்ணிக்கங்க. In all these and 1,000 other details, you and I, please, okay, like this so many matters we have in our life and ourselves, and has no one's leave. So leave means here permission. So for these kind of activities, we no need to ask permission from anybody. Why author is telling like this again and again? I am telling these kind of liberties, it won't be affected anybody. Okay, next paragraph. We have a whole kingdom in which we rule alone. What is whole kingdom? Now what he is saying, India? No, we have a whole kingdom. Now he is telling our own individual liberty. Okay, இது நம்மளோட whole kingdom. For example, family ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டேன்னா அந்த family is a kingdom. Okay, in that family our mother or father will rule as their wish. Okay, யாரும் வந்து என்னன்னு கேட்க போகிறது கிடையாது. We have a whole kingdom in which we rule alone. ஓகே, அது ஹோல் கிங்டம்ங்கிறது நம்மளோட இண்டிவிஜுவல் லிபர்ட்டியை சொல்கிறாரு. ஓகே, எப்போ தூங்கணும், எப்போ எந்திரிக்கணும், என்ன சாப்பிட்ணும், எப்படி ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணணும், எப்படி செப்பல் போடணும், எவ்ரி திங். ஓகே, and can do what we choose. That you can do whatever we want to choose. You can choose. Be wise. You can be a brilliant man, or else ridiculous na a poor, I mean very worst in ரொம்ப ஒரு கேலி கிண்டல் பண்ணுற மாதிரி. ஓகே, அந்த மாதிரி கேரக்டராகவும் இருக்கலாம். You may be very harsh or easy or conventional or odd. Conventional that we have to lead the life like this only அப்படியும் போடலாம், இல்லை as your wish. ஓகே, எப்படி ஒரு வித்தியாசமாகவும் இருக்கலாம். These are all our liberty. This is our kingdom. And but when we step out of that kingdom, see wonderful 4 lines. So அதை தாண்டி உன்னோட இண்டிவிஜுவல் கேரக்டரை தாண்டி when you are coming out of your own kingdom, just try to understand here, kingdom is not a country, your whole individual liberty. Okay, that is called as kingdom. When you are stepping out, when you are coming out from your own kingdom, our personal liberty of action becomes qualified by other people's liberty. So when you are coming out, your personal liberty will mingled with the other people's liberty. So in that place you have to be very careful. I might like to practice on the trombone. Trombone is a musical instrument, like a long pipe. It has, in the olden days they used this one, that a trumpet mari. Okay, a long pipe, trombone, from midnight till 3 in the morning. Okay, it is my wish in my home. I can, if I want to play trombone till 3 in the morning, early morning, now I can play. If I went onto the top of the Everest to do it, I could please myself. So இதையே போய் on the top of the Everest, if I want to do, I can do, and I will be very happy also. But if I do it in my bedroom, my family will object. Okay, நடு ராத்திரியில் எழுந்திரிச்சு மிட் நைட்டில் எழுந்திரிச்சு நீ போய் சத்தமாக ட்ரம்போன் ப்ளே பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தீங்கன்னா what will happen? That other members in the family will come and shout us. Okay, this is not individual liberty. And if I do it out in the streets, the neighbors will remind me that my liberty to blow the trombone must not interfere with their liberty to sleep in quiet. So if I play the trombone in the midnight, okay, at the midnight, if I play on the streets, now what will happen? My neighborhood people, they will come and say me, they will come and remind me. So everybody is sleeping. So you should not you should not involve other people's liberty. அப்படின்னு கண்டிப்பாக வந்து என்னை சொல்லுவாங்க. இந்த டைமில் நீ ப்ளே பண்ணக்கூடாது, யூ கோ அண்ட் சிட் குவைட் அண்ட் யூ கேன் டூ இட் குவைட்லி. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி வந்தேன்னா இட் வில் அஃபெக்ட் எவ்ரிபடிஸ் லிபர்ட்டி. ஓகே, ஸோ மேக் அ டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் பிட்வீன் இண்டிவிஜுவல் லிபர்ட்டி அண்ட் பப்ளிக் லிபர்ட்டி. And we came to the conclusion, we came to the final paragraph. See, there are a lot of people in the world, okay, and I have to accommodate my liberty to their liberties. So there are so many people in the world, so I'm living in that kind of world. So what I have to do, I have to accommodate, I have to connect. ஓகே எல்லாத்தையும் நான் கனெக்ட் பண்ணணும் அதர் பீப்புள் லிபர்ட்டியோட என் லிபர்ட்டியையும். And we are all liable to forget this, and unfortunately we are much more conscious of the imperfections of others in this respect than of our own. See, we have to lead our life like this only. We have to accommodate our liberty with others' liberty. But what we are doing, we are not doing like that. Always we are concentrating the imperfections of other people than us. நம்ம மேலே இருக்கிற குறைகளை பார்க்குறத காட்டிலும் அடுத்தவங்க மேலே இருக்கிற குறைகளை தான் நம்ம ரொம்ப கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ணுவோம். And a reasonable consideration for the rights or feeling of others is the foundation of social contact. So we have to understand the other people's feelings and everything, then only we can bring a social contact. For example, that our traffic policeman, if we take that person, நம்ம கரெக்டாக அவரை ஃபாலோ பண்ணாதான் other people will reach the place in time without any accident அப்படின்னு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணணும். then only it will bring a social order. ஓகேவா, அதை சொல்கிறாரு. அண்ட் இட் இஸ் இன் த ஸ்மால் மேட்டர்ஸ் ஆஃப் கான்டாக்ட், இன் தட் அந்த சின்ன சின்ன விஷயங்கள்ல இருந்து தான் தட் பிக் மேட்டர்ஸ் வில் அரைவ். And that in that it is the small matters of contact, in the observance of the rules of the road, that we pass judgment upon ourselves, that we declare that we are civilized or uncivilized. So from that small matters only, for example, if we follow the rules of the road correctly, okay, கரெக்டாக ஃபாலோ பண்ணனா we will judge ourselves that we are civilized or uncivilized. That means we are educated or uneducated. ஓகேவா, கரெக்டாக ஃபாலோ பண்ணி போனோன்னா நம்ம கரெக்டான ஆள் அப்படின்னு we can judge ourselves. So this is very very important for social contact. And see, the great moments of heroism or sacrifice are rare. So ஹீரோயிசமும் ஒரு சாக்ரிஃபைஸ் பண்ணுறதும் லைஃப்பில் பண்ணுறதுங்கிறது that very rare. So it is the little habits of commonplace intercourse that make up the great sum of life and sweeten or make bitter the journey. So இது வந்து that from author at last he is coming to say that from little habits only, from small matters only, we can create a big thing, and from this we can intercourse that make up life வந்து sweeten ஆக்குறதும் happy ஆக்குறதும் or else bitter ஆக்குறதும் it belongs to us only. So it is in your hand, so you have to do it correctly. If you do it correctly na, you have understand that liberty, personal liberty and public liberty understand பண்ணிட்டேனா you can make your life happy or else so bitter ஆக்குறதும் it is in your hand. So with this author ends the lesson, and very short and nice lesson. So understand the concept, read line by line, you can understand. And while you are reading, if you find any doubt, ask me immediately. And in between they have given quotes also, read that one also. For example, he see Thomas Jefferson, educate and inform the whole mass of the people, they are the only sure reliance for the preservance of our liberty. So what he is coming to say, educate the people, okay, that educated people only will understand the liberty, and they only that preserve, they only they can only preserve our individual liberty. And here one quote we have, and see, all mankind, John Locke, being all equal and independent, no one ought to harm another in his life, health, liberty or possessions. Okay, all mankind are equal, all have independent, at the same time we don't have right to harm another in his life, health, liberty or possessions. All right, wonderful line. Okay, I hope you can understand the lesson and prepare well for the unit test and read the lesson also. Okay, study well all of you.